safe with you.
Get you. Ooh. Wow, okay. Ich verstehe das nicht. Oh, weil die alle so. Boah, Kau, ey, der war laut. Ah, der hat geschrieben, ja, so. Liste bezeichnen.
Sagen wir mal so.
Deswegen.
Ich mag den, glaube ich, keinen Kuscheln. Genau.
Aber. Alter! Ey, irgendwas ist mit meinem Bauch.
Nicht mehr so viel zu sagen.
Ja, du. Ich auch. Ich habe auch 30 Minuten gemacht und dann. Das war noch leise.
Bist du? Ey, 14 wie faule Eier stehen.
Wetter, es ist schön draußen. Und ich bin in der Stadt. Die sind so geil. Diese drei. So Leute, wir sind jetzt schon beim Ende von diesem Video. Das waren jetzt mal nicht. Ich bin der Meinung, Frauen wollen es genauso wie Männer.
Sind und bin.
Sorry.
Oh, fuck yeah. That milkshake. I just drink a Coke, sorry. Always have this, but that was like a 6 out of 10.
Another. That was weak.
That was
Invite my friends over for wings and then just get fucking loaded and mad at that.
Hopefully they're not watching.
Don't.
Excuse me. Play ball and do all that in these. Excuse me. What's up guys, Violet here, coming to you live from my backyard. Huh! Everyone always tells me to sit ladylike. Frick that, am I right?
Wrong day. Melissa Marie.
It's fun. Fanta. So I'm going through comments of my first vlog and like most of them are really positive. And then there's this one that says, you're annoying as... I'm done vlogging! In June 2015 and I've been here ever since. Excuse me. Move, Violet. Excuse me.
Spend, crazy amounts of money on jewelry.
I love you.
It's pretty addicting, but it's not as addicting as cocaine though. Okay, why are you burping in my... Okay, what are you... Okay! Okay, you have a boyfriend!
I have to fart.
Please don't.
To be the next Marley in me, I'd love to be the next...
Sorry, what were you saying, Neil?
Oh!
It doesn't smell that bad.
Who does that though?
I do!
That works too.
I'm so sorry.
Again?
I'm sorry.
We say, like, not even a joke, all jokes aside, like, why do you do that so much?
Because it comes up right when it's like, I can't help when the camera's on me, but like, I'm not kidding. Almost every single video.
You burp on camera?
No, I don't mean to though. I just have to burp, so it's like.
Okay, well, thank you for that quick commercial break.
I told
we
you
talked
not
about
to start filming yet because I actually like.
Cool, I felt that one.
It was an accident!
I actually genuinely smelled that one.
I'm sorry. It was an accident. Excuse me. Excuse me. If you're stuck in the past, you're not going to be able to move forward. Good job. I'm so sorry. I'm not that sorry.
Instagram models have been literally saying smash or pass. For the past 2 hours I've been watching these videos and... Alyssa, come on, the camera's on.
Excuse me.
Did you start recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Oh.
Oh my god, ew.
Amateurs.
Can you stop burping? Seriously. We have a whole video to do. We haven't even started.
I just peeked in my mouth.
He's my favorite person. Not you.
Did you smell that?
No. Yeah, no, I smell it.
Oh! I'm not a girl.
Put me in captain.
Hey. Oh, that came out of nowhere.
What's up guys? I am doing a Raven cosplay from Teen Titan. Holy fuck. Did you go to college?
Because that's something I'm excited for you. Sorry, that was rude, excuse me.
Excuse me. You're really. Hopefully, I can put on my body. Also, so this is always freaking dead. Also, this lighting. Period. I'm starting myself a whole video to edit. So yeah, the first thing I'm planning, because if I don't have videos planned.
Wait, how far am I going here?
Alright, let's go make some coffee. Abs. Alright, let's get started in So, my birthday is Tuesday. To mess around. Maybe I'll fix cream. So, I'm going home. See you there, bye. I see someone. Let's go take a shower. Oh yeah! Stupid, or did it work? Go night-night? You ready to go night-night? Alright. That's embarrassing. Okay, here's the... So cute. So I ended up... Loves you. Oh yeah, also... Welcome to your coochie. Stop! It's not ladylike. Stop. It's oh my god. Makeup and stuff when I'm gonna take it off.
And
Wait, I think
as Donkey said, better out than.
I think when you burp, it makes me.
This is a 10 out of 10.
I'm not trying to be that girl ever.
3 out of 10, boba. Already. Why does nobody?
Kick some ass.
That's not how I sign up. Join my Discord and then you can look at.
A win is a win.
Okay, bye. Did I scare you? Okay, bye. Wait, I'll bring this close. Excuse. Thank you. Huh? Yeah, let's. Find us. So today I went and after attic. Oh my, I'm so sorry. I'm usually but the tall Asian guy was there. That's my response. Like you feel like after.
Peach Sunshine. The peach just sounded better. Juicy Peach doing better marketing. I think it's called Sparked.
Sorry. But watch this.
Hello.
Watch this.
Hi.
I said hi. Did you hear it? Unicorn. Excuse me. Dude. He was so creepy. Don't do that.
That is so romantic.
Unicorn thing. She loved that thing. So.
Giggle. He is banana.
Pardon.
Sorry. I'm a lady of the capital.
Let's not have conversations with this.
Sorry, Paul. I have to pee really bad. Sorry. Oh. One. Especially me to perfume. So, oh my god, oh my god. What? Sorry. Sorry. I'm just gonna pretend I'm in. Sorry. I'm fucking sorry, Paul. Oh my god. It humanized you? Sorry. Ew. I'm like a robot. Why you sound like?
Oh.
Sorry. I'm live.
I who can't come to America.
Okay, I got you.
Wait, sorry. Oh. Sorry. Is my play toy. Sorry about the burp. Oh my god. Fuck, Paul.
I think, did I actually? And then I. Oh, sorry. Oh, excuse me. I don't know if I really smashed. I feel like I just saw you. What? Yeah, I love that. Some Percocet with. Fuck. Did you say you would drown? Okay, that's. Bro, that's what I did. Excuse me. My only fear is life.
Chad would rather a bit.
I'll do a fucking. Excuse me.
I'm crippling my ass. I know you. No one guessed the next sequence is a 0.
Excuse me. I love you.